In this video, I'll show you exactly how to send money through Remitly to India. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, there are two ways you can send money through Remitly to India. You can either do it on your desktop or you can do it on your mobile phone. For the purpose of this video, we are going to do it on the desktop. And if you want to get started with Remitly, please do not forget to check the link in the description below. Now, first thing you'd like to do is to go to the Remitly webpage and then sign up. Now, the good thing about Remitly is that you don't have to verify your email. You just sign up with them and it goes through. Now, once you're on their dashboard, which looks like this, what you're going to do is you're going to select India from this dialog box here. India is already selected. It says recently selected, but what we're going to do is you can type the name here and you can click this. Now it's going to bring you here and it's going to show you how much 1 USD is to Indian rupees. So we're going to click on send money. Remitly has already chosen your currency that you signed up with. But if you want to change this currency, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the welcome tab here, click on the arrow, click on settings, and you're going to scroll down to change the sending from country. Now, once you do that, Remitly should change the currency that you're going to send from USD to your national currency. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to type in 100. Once we type in 100, Remitly is going to display the exact amount the receiver is going to receive, and it's going to give you an exchange rate right here. So the next thing we're going to do is, for the purpose of this video, we're going to choose bank account, but you have other options that you can send from. It's going to say Apple Pay or credit card. So it's going to display the amount and the fee they're going to be charging. And you can see here I've been given a fee discount. We click on continue. Now on this next page, it's going to ask you of the delivery method. So this is how the receiver is going to receive their money. Do you want them to receive it through UPI? You want them to receive it through pickup? They're going to physically go and pick it up, more like Western Union. And this is through bank deposits. For the purpose of this video, we're going to choose bank deposits. And we're going to click on continue. We're going to choose HDFC Bank as the receiver's bank account. And once we click that, it's going to ask for the receiver's bank account number. I'm going to click on continue. At this stage, we're going to input the receiver's first name and last name. Now at this point, you're going to be asked to input the person's phone number, but this is optional. You don't need to put it up. So we're going to skip this. And once we skip, this is a very important part of sending money through Remitly. India's law is very keen on who you're sending or why you're sending the money. So this should be accurate as possible. Then you click on continue. Then it's going to ask for your details, your name, your last name, your date of birth. Click on continue. It's going to ask you to confirm. And once it's confirmed, it's going to ask you for your address. And after that, it's going to ask you for a phone number. And after that, you should be able to send your money from wherever you are to India. Now, do not forget to check out the link in the description below if you want to get started with Remitly. That's how you send money through Remitly to India. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.